Visit zenexatech.com.
Welcome to a new video. I'm Manoj from Zenexa. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can permanently delete your Facebook page, and also I'll teach you how you can unpublish and deactivate your Facebook page. Now let's move to our computer screen. First of all, you have to log into your profile and make sure you have switched to your Facebook page. And to permanently delete your page, you have a full access. If you had just access with tags, then you can delete Facebook page. So make sure you are a full access admin of this page. So once you switch to your Facebook page, now you have to search for this setting. If you are using from mobile device, you can follow similar procedure. Switch to your Facebook page, search for setting, and now inside this setting and privacy, scroll down and search for this. Find this access and control. Now click on this access and control and you will get these three options. Deactivate page, this is temporary. You can activate your page again. If you want to take break for few months or year, then this option will be suitable for you. If you want to unpublish your page, this is also temporary. You can use this. And but you have decided to delete your page, then you can choose this option. This is permanent. You won't be able to retrieve the content or information you have shared on your Facebook page. So make sure you really want to delete your page. Now click on this continue. If you want to download your information or transfer a copy to other contact information, then you can choose this option. And once you save your data, click on this continue. Now you have to enter a password of your profile that you have used to log in your profile. So I'll type my password. Once you enter your password, click on this continue. It will ask for final confirmation. You are about to permanently delete your page, and also you will get 30 days of reactivate time. So if you decide again to activate this page, you can simply activate inside 30 days. Click on this delete page. Okay, you have deleted your page successfully. Thanks for watching this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Also, click on this subscribe button for more related tutorial. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
All new Zenexa Tech, your guide to the future of technology. Visit zenexatech.com.